Alright guys, today was go, 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 so I didn't get any real footage other than that little bit of stuff this morning. But take a look at my handiwork here. The electrician uses duct seal there. I use my nice white Volcom. See, there's my condensate drain there coming out. Locking caps per code out here. Unit's all leveled up. You can see the disconnect is off the unit. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. It's kind of dark in here, but I think it translates. I'll turn my light off. You don't need it. So there's my finished product. It's got the Honeywell 4-inch filter in there, 5-inch I guess is what they call them. I'm all wrapped. My drain's got plenty of fault, doesn't look like it on the picture. I accidentally knocked the wrong knockout, so I just taped some metal on that. And then one thing the inspectors require is that you note which kW of heat strips in here, which is 10 kW. Everything's all wrapped all nice and neat. Got my packet holder here with all the manuals for all the equipment, thermostat, etc. Let's come over here. Might need to turn the light on here. There we go. There's my condensate pump right there. Tubing comes up all nice and clean, and then comes up with my line set and over. It all looks pretty good, I think. I like to keep sweeps where I can. I could have put a 90 there, but it's fine. Filter dryer on the inside, of course. There's my interface module. I always try to use those wire ties with the screw heads in them. Make sure everything's all nice and clean. You know, nobody can get, he's probably going to stack stuff here, so I want to make sure that you can't get anything caught. There's my easy trap. So I did wire in the secondary safety switch, which is very important on these pumps. There's our sub panel electrician put in for the equipment. It was a 90 amp on the old, so we have our 60 for the furnace, 40 for the AC, and then he added me a plug right there for my condensate pump. So anyway, yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. Tell me what you guys think. Kind of a busy job. If you'd looked yesterday and saw what it looked like before, it looks pretty nice now. And then the homeowner wants to remove this wall and make this a garage again at some point. So I got one clamp there and then 2 clamps on electrical. He can just pull those when he decides to move this wall, and he'll be fine. So yeah, he's all done. 2 days. Electric furnace to heat pump change out. Show you guys my sticker again. Want the best HVAC services in Central Oregon? Give me a call. Happy to help you. That's a wrap.